Today we're diving into the Huawei P60 Pro, a flagship designed for those who demand power and style. Whether you're into photography, gaming, or multitasking, this phone has got you covered. Let's talk cameras. The Huawei P60 Pro packs a 48MP primary sensor with variable aperture, a 48MP telephoto lens, and a 13MP ultra-wide shooter. From crisp ultra-wide landscapes to detailed zoom shots, this camera nails it all. And with AI image stabilization, even your handheld night shots come out stunning. But it's not just about photography. The P60 Pro is built with premium materials and features a stunning 6.67-inch OLED display running at a 120Hz refresh rate for buttery smooth visuals. It's protected by Huawei's Kunlun glass, which is designed to withstand accidental drops. Inside, it's powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset paired with 12 GB of RAM. Whether you're playing high-graphic games or switching between apps, the P60 Pro handles it effortlessly. Thinking of upgrading? You can find the best deals on the Huawei P60 Pro through our affiliate link in the description below. Click it now to get the latest pricing. Battery life won't be an issue with the 815 mAh capacity, and the 88W fast charging means you'll be back to 100% in no time. Plus, reverse wireless charging makes it a perfect travel companion. The Huawei P60 Pro delivers on performance, design, and camera excellence. If you're ready for an upgrade, don't miss out. Hit that affiliate link and explore the Huawei P60 Pro for yourself.